Kanika Kapoor might end up in jail. Because of the outbreak of deadly coronavirus, the Indian government asked people with recent foreign travel history to isolate themselves. Famous Bollywood singer Kanika Kapoor returned to India from London on 9th March. Kanika completely ignored the warnings from the Indian government and doctors. She did not home isolate herself and visited many places even without a checkup. Kanika came back to Mumbai from London on 9th March and after coming back she visited Lucknow. Kanika went to Lucknow to her parents and she also attended various parties. The parties which were visited by Kanika were also attended by various prominent figures of India. Kanika was first tested positive for COVID-19 on 20th March and was rushed to hospital. But between 9th to 20th March, the singer visited many places, ignoring all warning signs given to everybody by Indian government. The singer was rushed to the nearby Sanjay Gandhi Institute of Medical Sciences. What actually happened, which may land the singer into jail, let us find out in this video. The singer was advised from the airports to keep her in home isolation, but she ignored those warnings. Kanika visited many places and later tested positive with the virus. A complaint against the singer is lodged at the Lucknow police station, and as she was in hospital, actions were not taken against her. But as the singer is now discharged from the hospital, Kanika may end up in jail soon for not listening to government. The Lucknow police booked the singer on charges of negligence for attending various occasions in the city. In spite of being infected with the virus, she was ordered to isolate herself at her residence by the authorities, but she neglected all the orders and that is why a case was filed against her. As per the reports, Kanika is discharged but she is asked by the doctors to keep herself isolated for 14 days. After 14 days, she will be tested once again and if the reports come negative, then she will be out of danger. The complaint filed against the singer are under 188, 269 and 270 sections of Indian Penal Code. Under these sections, the singer may receive a punishment of fine or imprisonment or both for disobeying the law and spreading a disease. If Kanika is found guilty, she may end up in jail for around 2 years with a fine of a hefty amount too. All this will be known after the isolation period of 14 days gets over for the singer. Well, the latest good news for the singer and her fans is that the last test report of COVID-19 of Kanika is negative. And she is finally able to go to her home, but for how many days this happiness will last is still unknown. We wish speedy recovery of the singer. We hope she gets well soon. The Smoky Evening team also requests every one of you to stay safely at homes. Stay safe and let us fight against the disease together. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.